What's up, guys? We got another new car here. Let's check this bad boy out. Oh, and check out my sweet new mat here. It goes along with the car that we got. So it's a new Traxxas TRX4M High Trail. So see on the box we got red and blue. See all the little goodies there. It's got a nice little heavy duty micro steering servo. Oil-filled shocks, Titan motor, kind of same as the other one, but this one is a high trail. Now you see what's in my guy. I got the red one. So yeah, let's open this bad boy up and check it out. It is a licensed body, so that's cool. Got all the cool details in it. So we got a couple little tools there. We got too much light on it today. There we go. So a little tool there. A couple little plastic pieces. Got a little trailer hitch it comes with, and then the instruction manual. Pretty cool. Comes the trailer hitch for the little trailer they sell. Ooh, here we go. We got a red one. And the controllers are the same. I'm sure you guys have seen a million of the controllers. Comes with a little 750 milliamp battery and USB charger. Let's just out of the way all bright. And it has the same snap body as the like the Bronco and stuff. Alright, so there's plastic on the bumpers, plastic on the body. Keep all the chrome and plastic nice and good. So that's pretty cool. But it does stick to itself and becomes a little bit of a pain. There we go. So it's got a little USA 1 sticker on there and license plate. At the front and back. Same speed controller and receiver in there. So I got the same little battery area. Toss the battery in here. Boom, snaps right in. So the body is gonna, so it does have headlights. I think the taillights come in the Pro kit. Yeah, this thing's only headlights out of the package. So let's plug that in. Right there. I forgot to plug in the battery earlier. Boom. Body clips right on. See the lights there. So you get the Pro kit, you get the tail lights, and all the cool little features. Difference on this one is, I don't know if you can see it there. Oh, you can see it. The chrome diff housings. It's got front and rear. So it does look like it's a little bit taller than the regular one. So it's a little bit taller tires, a little bit taller ride. It's got the cool chrome bumpers like the black ones. You can see some of the cool details. Got little mirrors on it. The windows are pure clear rather than tinted. Little chrome roll bar there. Nice little grill. Definitely some real cool details in it. So yeah, I'm going to test this bad boy out, see how it does compared to the other one. See how the high trail differences is in it. Looks like it's bigger tires and it is a little bit taller. Yeah, a little more clearance there, and the body looks like it's a little higher. So yeah, a little cool little rig. Definitely lots of cool details in it. So yeah, stay tuned for the rolling footage.